Hello, my name is Oscar Mauricio Borja. I'm 25 years old. I'm single. I live in Granada Meta with my parents and my dog Theo. I'm currently studying agronomy in the UNAD University, second semester. My favorite activities are play soccer, read, practice yoga, eat a little. My last trip was to the Medellin city. Accompanied by my mother. In the city, the people are amazing, very kind, and the women are very beautiful. The water is very nice. Perfect to go out and enjoy the city. We meet many new places like the Guatapé, Peñol Stone, and the Atanasio Girardot Stadium. It was very nice trip, and we hope to come back very soon. The next trip I want to make is the next year to the San Andres Island. I want to know its beaches. Also, they say there are is amazing. I want to know the blowing hole. I find it a lot of fun. It like to go diving and take a walk on jet ski. It will be a family trip, and we are all eager to do so. Thank you. Bye bye.